Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the single essential prerequisites. You must be signed into the correct Apple ID and have iCloud Drive plus Photos enabled. Tap Settings, then your name. Make sure iCloud Drive and Photos are toggled on. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in the iPhone if you have many files, because large photo libraries sync only on Wi-Fi and while charging to avoid interrupted uploads. Now you go into Files to access iCloud Drive directly, because Photos app may not show files saved as documents. Open Files, tap Browse, then tap iCloud Drive, navigate through folders where your photos are stored. If you have nested folders, use the search bar or sort by date to surface recent images quickly. Make sure the file types are JPG, PNG, or HEIC. The Files app will preview them, so you can verify which ones are actual photos. To complete the process, you import images into the Photos app for easy viewing. Preview an image in Files, tap Share, then choose Save Image. If Save Image isn't available, download the file to local storage by tapping the three dots and selecting Download, then use Share again. If nothing appears, try signing out and back into iCloud or toggling iCloud Drive off and on. Those steps re-establish sync and usually fix missing or stuck uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.